Hello folks, my name is David and been playing acoustic guitar for a while and have worked out some pretty easy to play covers of various and sundry songs, and this is going to be a Led Zeppelin cover of a song called Rain Song, and I'll just play the intro so you'll kind of know which song we're talking about and be sure this is the one you're looking for. It goes. And of course it's a famous and easily recognizable song, and I'm going to get up a little closer here so you can see my finger activity when I'm playing. I'm not playing a 12-string, but you get you get this 12-string sound when you play partial chords up on the neck and let the strings ring out from their bass string. So this is basically an E. You see, I would play a E like this, but I'm just playing the E with the index finger. The third and fourth fingers like this. The middle finger is free, and I'll use it in a second, but it starts out, and I want to strum it starting with the low string down here. So we'll do, then I make the seventh. Okay, and then I'm going to take my movable C shape. See, this would be a C7 for the E, but it's in an E position, but it's a C7th shape. But I'm going to lift up this little finger because I'm going to use it for something else. And that's just an A minor. So I'm going to play the whole thing through for you there up to that point. And I'm just going to pause here, let you repeat that. And then we'll come into the next little section here. They go after the E7th shape. There's two notes. E. Let me play that for you slowly. So it's just the E. You see how I'm going back and forth between hitting the open big string so it's just the E, and so I've taken the bar up here and I'm just playing the little finger, this finger, and the rest of it is barred. And I move that up. So it's just, and that just sort of looks like a D minor. These three strings, I'm just playing all the way up here on the 9th fret. And now, after that part, it slides right into the E major, the E9th chord. So I'll play a little intro there. And this is the verse where he sings A. And there's a little bridge here. And that's just 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, just those 4 strings. And then back to the same. Notice we're up to the C now. And that's basically essentially a C sharp, but it's just 3 fingers. And so I've got 1st finger on the 5th fret, 3rd and 4th fingers on the 6th fret, and the B string is open on this. You see, just strum those one at a time. And then it goes to A major 7th, a G sharp major 7th, and an F sharp. Okay, let's play that part again. That's it. At the end, it gets this really big part that, of course, on rock and roll gets all loud. But what this is just the same movable E shape we did before. So, and that gives you that nice 12 string, lots of resonance. But it's just a few notes, so the notes don't get cluttered. And so and this just moves. This same shape just moves up and down the whole time. So. A, back to the E, and I keep the E down here so I can hammer on the I felt the coldness of the winter. Anyway, and that's basically the song. You can kind of work around with some different parts on that. And I just will point out one thing, that another Zeppelin song, What Is and What Should Never Be, is in the same key, and it's a real nice medley. I'm not going to show that one now. I'll do that one later at some point after I get this cleaned up, but you recognize that song. It's basically... Anyway, that's all for today.